ReadToMe is an AI-driven multi-sensory reading and comprehension platform that has been deployed across thousands of schools in India and globally. Learning with ReadToMe enables repeated multi-sensory exposure to words as the software reads out English text on the screen by highlighting each word. This is especially relevant for acquisition of language skills as students are challenged by phonics and decoding. ReadToMe is available for teachers to use in the classroom and is also available for students to read and comprehend their school textbooks at home. ReadToMe Student Edition can be downloaded from Google Play Store. Students can register with their details to access curriculum-aligned content according to their board and grades. There are many features available on the ReadToMe Student Edition dashboard. Read Your School Textbooks allows students to download their textbooks and practice reading along with the voice. This improves word recognition and the development of pronunciation and oral skills.
1 day.
Students use ReadToMe to decode words, learn meanings and translations of new words from their textbooks. Students are also encouraged to engage with the app through gamified features like contests and leaderboard. They can collect points and win medals by completing fun and engaging activities on the app. This nudges students towards repeated engagement and builds agency. The dashboard also has many interesting videos and quick tips that students can access anytime, cultivating the habit of self-learning. ReadToMe Student Edition also has a feature called Live English Classes for selected boards and grades. These 60-minute affordable online tuitions are delivered by our expert tutors that help students revise and practice their textbook chapters at home. ReadToMe Student Edition encourages self-learning in students by helping them with after-school revision.